Our favorite scenario is Sparky Autos. Okay, so this is a family-run business based on a farm. The business offers visitors the opportunity to drive small electric cars around a racetrack on the farm. Now there are 20 electric cars available each time for a race. Each car has an electronic tag with its number, and this tracks the number and the position using the sensors around the farm. And finally, a number painted on a side. Okay. Now, question number one. Cars and spark filters are serviced regularly to check that they are safe and reliable. A service can be triggered by the car being run over 100 hours or if 30 days have passed. So a service for the car is triggered if the car runs for over 100 hours or if 30 days pass. So it could be either one of them two, okay? State two variables that need to be created to store data for each car. Now think about this. In this scenario, we're already thinking, what kind of things am I talking about that can hold data, that can hold up data to? Now, a date and time of the last service can be held in the data. Now, total running time since last service, you can calculate that in the program and hold that into a variable. Details of last service, okay? Now, any details about last service can also be held in a variable. Overall total of running time since car bought, okay? So you can have a date from the beginning of the year and when the first car was bought and today's date and subtract them two together, you can pretty much get the total running time. Okay, that will give you the actual variable overall running time. And finally, car number. Okay, these are all jotted around here. We just need to find it. Now you have other exceptions as well. Any variables that you created with appropriate data, you can either describe it, you can write the variable name itself. Either way, we're looking for 2 marks. Now question number one. So question number one is quite tricky. If you're still struggling with that, literally get a pencil and circle around things that could hold a value. Okay. Um, so think about it. The number painted on the side of the car, that's not really a variable. But what can be a variable is the position of the car. Okay. Or let's have a look at one of these that they've given us. The car number. A variable can actually hold the car number. So out of the 20 cars, car number 16 will literally have the way to identify the car is a car number. So you can actually draw a box around number to represent that this is going to be a variable. Question number 1b. Each car takes at least 30 minutes to service. All the cars take longer to service. Okay. Now, 10 minutes is added to each full year of the car's age. The year of the purchase is known. So you need to construct a general expression showing the time needed for service in a car. Now this is it's not tricky, it's actually common sense. It's a bit of maths and it's quite common sense, but you got to try and show your problem solving skills here. Okay, you need to create a general expression. Now it's saying that each car takes 30 minutes. Now we know for a fact that every car that the general expression should have 30. Now all the cars take longer. And how much longer? 10 minutes is added for each full year of the car's age. Okay, so we're going to do 30 plus 10 and whatever. So we're going to do 30 plus 10 times the number of years the car's age. Okay, now how do you find the car's age? So what you're going to do is you're going to do the car's age is when the car was bought date minus today's date or today's year, and that's the number of cars. That's the car's age. Now what we do is 30 plus 10 times the car's age. Okay, so 30 plus 1 times today's. This will make a little bit more sense to you. If you're still not too sure, just give me a shout and I'm going to explain that to you. Easy 2 marks. Okay. Now once you've done that, what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go on to question 2 for me, please.